ate and left no crumbs.
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay.
I'm gonna do a quick makeup tutorial. And first I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Grippy Primer. Love this primer so far. I think I'm gonna go in with the new e.l.f. Skin Tint. Yes, I'm gonna use this skin tint for today's makeup look. So e.l.f. literally been in the lab cooking up some products. They was like, yeah, we need to keep coming out with more products and more products, okay? Yes, so I'll definitely have to try out this skin tint. You gotta shake, 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 shake it up. Shake, 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 shake it up. Okay, match. Ooh, I'm loving the way this just blended out. Ooh, so y'all see the way I just blended out that skin tint. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And I just use my hand, like, super easy. You're supposed to use your hand with this product, but you could use a beauty blender or a brush. But on the package it says use your hands to blend out. Now I'm just gonna blend it in with a beauty blender. Okay, now I'm going in with my two favorite concealers, Juvia's Place and Born This Way. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend that out. So now I'm going in with the liquid bronzer and contour from e.l.f. I'm going in with bronzer, powder bronzer, because y'all already know we gotta set all the places that we put liquid products. We put liquid contour and bronzer. Now we have to set it with the powder. So now I'm going in with the Morphe Palette blush, Cheek Thrills. We are gonna do a eyeshadow tutorial today. I'm gonna be using the new Morphe palette that I got from Ulta. Let's get into this eyeshadow palette because it's super pretty, and that's the reason why I had to get it, because I love the colors. First of all, the packaging, so cute. And look at these colors. So first things first, you need to go in with a base for your eyeshadow to stick. And I'm gonna use a concealer. I'm gonna apply this concealer all over my lids. This is Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand. So now I'm gonna take the concealer and carve out my brows and set my lids for eyeshadow. Okay, so now I have my base on my lids. So I'm gonna take this shimmer shade right here. This is the color. Now I'm gonna take this shade here. This shade is so pretty. I'm gonna pop this right in my inner corner. Hey, so this is the finished look. I literally slayed my makeup per usual. Let's get into the eyeshadow, like, cause I'm so in love with the eyeshadow and how it came out. So pretty. Shout out to Morphe because I love this eyeshadow palette. They slayed with these palettes. Like, you can't tell me nothing. I use these 3 colors and they literally turned out so good. Love it. 8 down. Y'all already know what's going on. Period. 8 and left no crumbs. Okay, y'all. Hey, slay my makeup, period. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. And comment down below what you liked about this look. Hey, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.